this video, we'll create this slogan with a typewriter effect. Hold Shift and right-click above the text to move 3D cursor. Then add a cube. Set the size to 0.2 meters. Scale down the cube by pressing S key and dragging mouse. Adjust the location on Y and Z axis. Switch to Geometry Nodes Editor. Click on New to add GeoNode tree to the cube. Remove the group input node by selecting it and pressing X. Add a slice to string node. A string to curves node. A fill curve node. And a curve to mesh node. Type the text in slice to string node. Set the length value to 30. Connect all the nodes in series to group output node. Add a transform geometry node at the end before group input. Set rotation to 90 degrees. Adjust text settings in string to curves node. Align to center. Font size to 0.12 meters. Set the text length to 36 to display all the text. Adjust the Z-axis location of the text to fall between the row of logo cubes. That should be enough for GeoNodes. Click on Material Properties. I'll set the color to bluish green. Add a set material node after transform geometry. Name the material color of the text. I'll set it to caption color. Select the named material color in the set material node. Now the text color is reflected in the 3D viewport. Adjust the font size to 0.18 meters and align on Z-axis. Now let's go to Compositing tab to add a glow to text. Hover, click and drag at the top to split window. Switch the second window to 3D viewport. Press / to hide the rest. Select the text and click New in the Compositor editor. Press Shift+A and add glare node in between. Click on Material Preview mode. Click on the arrow next to it and select Always in the dropdown. Change the type from streaks to bloom. Adjust the threshold to increase the bloom effect. Go back to Material Properties and increase emission strength. 2.4 should do, and set color to bright green. Next, I'll change the font. I'll use one of the fonts I downloaded. I'll use Courier Prime regular font. Back to Compositing tab to verify the text style. Press /key to unhide all the objects. There is a visible glare in the viewport. This is because of the glare node we have added. We'll fix that later. Let's animate the text now in Geometry Nodes Editor. Set the frame end to 100 in the Dope Sheet editor. Move the playhead to frame 48. Set the length to 0 in Slice String node and press I key to add a keyframe. Move the playhead to frame 84 and set the length to 36. Now play the animation from frame 48. Increase the frame count to 120. Click and drag the last keyframe from frame 84 to 120. If you encounter this, the quick fix is to change the frame end in smoke domain. Replay animation again and the issue should be fixed. Now let us look at how to fix the glare issue in the render. The idea is to hide and disable render of the slogan text. Mute glare node M key in the compositing editor. Render animation where glare is not needed. Then hide all except slogan text and render again with glare node enabled. First, let's change the name of the slogan object to caption. Set the frame end to 48 as that's where the original animation ends. Go to Output tab in Properties window. Set the output location and also the file name prefix. I'll use main_animation_prefix and accept. You can choose either video or image sequence for the animation. I chose PNG image sequence and then render menu and render animation. After rendering the animation, hide and disable all except caption text. Set frame end to 120. Change frame start to 48 and end to 120 in output properties. Change image sequence prefix. I'll set it to main_animation_caption_ and click accept. Then render the animation with glare node enabled in compositing editor. Let's unhide and enable all the objects. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.